Did you know that you could have more than one EIDL loan? It's true. Many people only became familiar with the EIDL loan program with the SBA because of the COVID disaster. But EIDL is for economic injury even if there is a natural disaster in your community. We're going to talk about that today.
It's Wednesday, WTF Wednesday. That's not to say there were not glitches, and there are still glitches happening.
Welcome to WTF Wednesday, where every week we talk about stupid that we've encountered that you should try to avoid.
So we have some simple information about when a natural disaster hits your community and applying for an economic injury disaster loan.
Well, first, should we disclose that you are in the old zone?
Wearing a hard hat?
Full of wisdom.
I'm in the old zone?
Did you not see the label?
Oh my God. It says old zone.
If your community was hit by a natural disaster and declared a natural disaster by the president, then your community, your business, and if you're a homeowner too, you're eligible to submit an EIDL loan application.
There's two ways to do the application. There's a PDF application, which you can fill out and submit it directly to the SBA through fax, through mail, or uploading it. And there's the online portal. We like the online portal, but we recommend using the PDF first. You want to use the PDF first to kind of give yourself a little test run because it's actually a very dense application. It's a lot more complicated than the COVID-19 EIDL application is. So you want to be able to sit down with a cup of coffee, your PDF, get through all these kind of complicated questions to prepare yourself for going online to the electronic portal.
I really like this example. It's similar to when I use the guest check to calculate the tip, then the merchant bill.
I don't even know what the heck that means. Okay.
Some of you know what that means.
The last piece of advice we have with regards to a natural disaster EIDL loan has to do with her area of expertise, which is insurance.
Wait, do I have to wear that? It says the old zone. I don't know if I'll even be able
It
to.
looks kind of boss like that. So Linda Ray, tell our lovely audience what they've won. No, tell them why.
Why they have to work harder for the money?
Work hard for the money.
First of all, you do have to exhaust all other avenues of funding that could help you repair and restore. In this case, we really are only helping business owners. We don't help homeowners. Sorry about that. But you have to exhaust all channels of other funding, which includes insurance. You have to make sure that your insurance, either if they cover it or they don't cover it. And if they cover it, what then is the deficit between what it takes to repair and rebuild versus what they're not paying? So that's going to be really key and crucial in how much money you apply for and how the SBA responds to your request for
It's a key
funding.
question on the EIDL application. That's why we started out today's video saying download the PDF, familiarize yourself with it before you fill out the online application, because one of the key elements of the application is this question: can you obtain the money from other sources? And it asks for your insurance information. And we know one of our COVID-19 EIDL clients in Texas, after the storms a few weeks ago, who filed on his own and his loan was declined. The SBA said, no, your insurance covers that, which he then had to call his insurance agency only to find out, no, the insurance doesn't cover it. Then he had to submit the insurance to the SBA and fight a reconsideration, which slows the whole thing down. So do your homework up front. The cute gal with the construction hat's name is Linda Ray. And get out of the old zone and join us here at Aurora Consulting, where we find financing solutions for your
business success story.